Hi everybody, welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. Today is the 310th day of the year and there are 55 days left and daylight savings time has ended. As of today, did you remember to set your clocks back and get that extra hour of sleep? I did. Yay. The library is going to be closed Friday the 11th for Veterans Day. So be sure and check out our e-resources. The adult department is having their Tuesday Lunch and Learn, and it's Tuesday the 8th, and it's going to be Turtles of Northwest Arkansas, Rescue, Rehabilitation, and Release. I think that's going to be really cool. I love turtles. As you can see, I'm standing in the children's department in the expanded picture book area. Look at all this space. It's awesome. Anyway, the 6th through the 11th is Children's Book Week. So be sure and come in and check out all this awesome picture books. And of course, we have other books too that you can enjoy also. November 8th is National STEM Day. And in the description of this video, I have links to books that have science projects and also books about the STEAM projects. And don't forget our launch pads, those are included in that link. And they've got some really cool stuff. And then the 8th is also our tween book club. And this time they're going to talk about the book, The 100 Dresses by Eleanor Estes. In the teen department, they have so much going on. I'm going to have to read to you so I don't get things messed up, okay? We have the DIY Craft Monday. On the 7th, they're doing paper beads. And on the 14th, cake pops. And that's from 6 to 8 in the community room. And then we have movie night on the 10th from 6 to 8. That's a Thursday. And then Creative Crew on Saturday, the 12th, from 2 to 3:30 in the Glutzbecker room. And did you know that November is National Novel Writing Month? So that kind of fits right in with Creative Crew. And then there's game night on Thursday, the 17th, from 6 to 8 in the community room. Teen Tabletop Games is Saturday, the 19th, from 12 to 4. And that ties in with National Game and Puzzle Week, which is the 20th through the 26th. So be sure and check the links that are posted in the description of this video. November is National Native American Heritage Month. And I pulled together just a few of the books that we have here in our library about Native Americans. We have them in the children's department, the teen department, and the adult department. We have them on their architecture, their history, their arts and crafts, their beading, because their clothes are arts in themselves, their songs and mythology, medicine, just all across the spectrum of different things that we have about Native Americans. We have several programs this month to celebrate National Native American Heritage Month. Starting off on the 12th at 10 a.m., we have Native American Heritage Month story time with members of the Walmart Tribal Voices Indigenous Associate Resource Group. And then at 12:30 on that same day, we have Indigenous Wisdom, Forging Wild Food. Then on the 26th, we have Native American Heritage Month Storytime with Katie Holt. And on the 30th, we're going to have a concert that's streamed from the Museum of Native American History. So until next time, I hope you have a wonderful another couple of weeks.